While you're reading, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, write a comment, and share this video. Your support helps us create more relaxing yoga sessions for you. Peaceful morning. Let's begin. Upward salute. Stand tall with your feet together. Inhale and sweep your arms overhead, reaching up through your fingertips. Lift your chest gently and feel the length through your entire body. Standing forward bend. Stand tall. Then exhale and fold forward from your hips, letting your head and arms hang freely. Keep a soft bend in your knees and breathe deeply, releasing tension from your back and neck. Low lunge. Step 1 foot forward and lower your back knee to the mat. Keep your front knee above the ankle and lift your chest as you inhale. Feel a deep stretch through your hips and thighs. Low lunge. From standing, step 1 foot forward and lower your back knee to the floor. Keep your chest lifted and shoulders relaxed. Breathe deeply, feeling the stretch through your hips and legs. High lunge. Step 1 foot forward and keep your back leg straight, lifting your arms overhead. Engage your core and look forward, feeling strength and balance through your whole body. High lunge. Step 1 foot forward and keep your back leg straight, lifting your arms up. Keep your chest open and breathe deeply, feeling energy and stability. Warrior Eye. Step your feet wide apart, bend your front knee, and extend your arms parallel to the floor. Gaze softly over your front hand, feeling strength and focus. Warrior Eye. Stand with your feet wide apart. Turn your front foot forward and bend your front knee. Stretch your arms out to the sides, parallel to the floor. Look over your front hand and feel steady and powerful. Triangle pose. Step your feet wide apart and turn your front foot forward. Reach forward with your front hand, then lower it to your shin or the floor, while the other arm stretches up. Keep your chest open and breathe deeply. Triangle pose. Stand with your legs wide apart. Turn your front foot forward and stretch your front arm down to your shin or the floor. while the other arm reaches up. Keep your chest open and breathe steadily, feeling a gentle stretch along your side. Eagle pose. Stand tall, bend your knees slightly, and wrap one leg over the other. Cross your arms at the elbows and wrists. Balance and breathe deeply, feeling focus and strength throughout your body. Eagle pose. Stand tall, bend your knees slightly, and cross one leg over the other. Wrap your arms around each other, the elbows and wrists. Keep your gaze steady and breathe deeply, feeling balance and strength. Seated twist. Sit tall with your legs crossed or extended. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Then exhale and twist gently to one side, placing your hand behind you for support. Breathe deeply, feeling a gentle stretch in your spine. Seated twist. Sit comfortably with your legs crossed or extended. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Then exhale and twist gently to one side. Place your hand behind you for support and breathe slowly, feeling a gentle stretch in your back. Butterfly pose. Sit with the soles of your feet together and let your knees fall outward. Hold your feet or ankles, lengthen your spine, and breathe deeply, feeling a gentle stretch in your hips and inner thighs. Relaxation pose. Lie flat on your back with your legs extended and arms relaxed by your sides, palms facing up. Close your eyes and breathe naturally, letting your body fully relax and release tension.